Over 2,000 out of 3,000 community-run SSA schools in Meghalaya have submitted no objection certificates, NOCs, agreeing to transfer their management to the State Education Department. The update was shared by MSSA President Ba Aristotle C. Rambai after a meeting chaired by Education Commissioner and Secretary Vijay Kumar Mantri, attended by education officials and teacher associations. The meeting also addressed gaps in communication with school management committees, SMCs, with plans to resend clearer instructions to those yet to submit NOCs. Discussions on the regularization of SSA teachers were also held with the consensus to complete the process in 3 phases before the end of May 2025.
Nakaliang jong ka Education Department ka rakot ya kami ka jingkendo ko ba sanma of fifth meeting ya ka kami ka meeting la share the Commissioner and Secretary Sir Vijay Kumar Mantri ke pasal tunat mendasingi kalong ba hakani ka meeting ka fifth meeting la ya don lang bat ki DSEOs bat ki DSEOs na baro ki district hapo jongka state tika point hi kabangi ya discuss tentang number 1 kalong ba kila ai yang ia ka roughly report hakabay day bat kane ka NOC ma kumba pilative hi hakani candidates ni nakalian jong ka education department kala pan ya ka willingness jong kini ki community school nang ta kini ki private school kini ta ki NGOs nang ta ki mission school bat ta Namanta ban ai ka willingness jong ki ban handover ya ka management na SSA syaka education department. So mendak singi ngila yo ya ka roughly report ba ki community school ki bala submit ya ka willingness jong ki hadu mentak singi bala long willing ban handover ya ka management na ka SSA syaka education department ki nakalai hajar plus ki bala submit ki long hajar plus. Dan ta hakabay day bat kini ki private but community school no kibadang submit menta kibadang yo ya report kalong hapo is Khas Hills kibadang submit kila po saki abho likely kini ki private but ki mission the rest of the district they are yet to compile with the data kata point number 1 point number 2 kibangila discuss ngili athir ya tai ba kabay day bat ka jing bom long willing kini ki community ni ki private ni ki mission school ban hand over ya ka management ya ka government kabangi syam kalong ba there is kamdon kata ka uniformity ha kabay day but kajing issue ya ka notification kabamut ba nakaliang jong ki DSEO lani ki SDSEO kim ai ka clear notification syakini ki SMCs kimenta nakaliang jong ngila stress ba ha kabay day but kani kabenta but suntunat nakaliang jong commissioner secretary but kumjuru kini ki DSEOs but ki SDSEOs unanimously menta ka singi ngila shim ya ka decision ba kin issue biang ya ka shiti siya baro ki SMCs with clear clarification hakabay day bat kanika jingtumu jong ka sarkar bahkan bakin I know ya kanika management na SSA syaka government ada tu dan ngila fix ro ya ka deadlines kabay day bat kani ngila extend nakaliang jungi unanimously ngila shim ya karai bang extend biang ya ka date of submission from April till the 15th of May. Now April shadow khatsan tarik jong May nakabantaban submit ya kini ki NOC na ni ka willingness jong ki ban handover na ki naka handover ni ka school na ka SSA syaka government
ni kwa ban pa ni namar bangila resu issue namar teng ha kabili bat kini ki NOC na basay ng baju peace media ila karansan na kaliang jong aslan ru lanyon ni na kaliang jong CS ru bahabi day bat khamtam ngidon ya kinu kiton ki school ki bade ki school snong ki ba orang basnong lani kinu gibreu na kitu snong ki bat bor ya to school tinglara hangne belong badak nu hi ya ki school snong ki debi hiban yo ka sarkar ka debi hiban simti knang bakan long ka ba kanong ka jumanto ya to ka snong lani ka to ka community kemarin ka bangan sulingo kolong banyo ka ngitip long ba kidon ki community school ru ki bam treban hanover barkum juru nakaliang kini ki minority ki NGOs ki private owned SSA school pada ki turu nakabasay mataksing lara marbalik kumbala karing sa mane kadon ka miscommunication ha padi barat kini ki officer Dementa da basai hi ngila ong ba knang ba yaki tu ki minority ki private ru kinyo da basai ha ka ba jeng kren ngila nakaliang GCS da bata iki DSU but SDSU ban ai ya order ka basai ha ka bi bat kini ki minority but ki private schools nak benta kanika NOC dukum juru ha ka benta walai ka bingli kren kanika matru kanika rationalization yaki noikai kani kani ko mat ka bangila ra nadu kini sem menurut sem badam November te ya kani menta kasing la pressure biang nomor belai kumbalong menta nakaliang ka government ya ki SSS school nadu arjar khatnyo kala stop ha ka badi bakar recruitment kidan gina kai jini ki bala yo kam no sowei kidan ki bala khlat batang ha gini sim badam ngidang yo ya ka data naka department hi ba pras patam kino kai ki bala song thai tikidan gini school ki ba ki khna ki don rei kino kai kun don tia kani ru ngila nyon ba bat mentak si hankat ka jinlang jong ki SDSUs bat ki DSUs ngilai ya nakaliang jong ka department kelak kerensai ba ya kan ka rationalization only but on pendep hapo jong ubnai me dia kamut ba ya ki noi kai ya ki school ki ba duna ka enrollment kinra no ki noi kai sa ki school ki ba don ka enrollment kani kamat ka bakhat lu ba ngia kren bat ka ba ka balong ka jingrap nak benta jingi ki noi kai kham tam itu ki noi kai ki ba kai ha ki school ki ba pun ki kena kat ba ka jindon na ki noi kai
handover ke management la kani kande ban batchim bat kani administration ne kan sudah itang ke management te nakalian jong commissioner secretary ila ai ka clear clarification ba kande bet ka jing simti bet baro hikaweka school kabut nadu ka school building ka to ka jaka baki ai na nakalian jong ka community na ni ki private ni ka mission school but so entire administration together with the management of that school it will be like a purely government school kata kalong very clear clarification kepada kalian jong commissioner secretary ula ai but the same clarification will be sent and forwarded to all the SMCs so that kenang bana kalian jong kiro kila ban syong perkhat ban ai ya ka jubab dan ya ka willingness la kilong willing na ban ai ka bai dai bat kanika jing tumu jong ka government